Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. It's a beautiful day out, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of advice on how to start and use a drum smoker. Today I'm using my Fornetto Basso. It's a Australian smoker. Pretty cool, similar to a Weber Smoky Mountain. So a lot of these same tips and tricks are going to apply to that, as well as like the homemade drum smokers or the Oklahoma Joes, stuff like that. All right, so the first step is we're gonna take this apart. We're gonna build a little fire in the bottom. There's some coals and some flavor wood. We're gonna start a chimney full of charcoals on the other half, and then we're gonna dump those charcoals onto the fire in the bottom. So the first step is gonna be to take it apart. Down here is where your fire is gonna end up and where you're gonna smoke from. And then up here on top of the grill, we're just going to use a chimney to light some charcoals. Now it's time to fill up the chimney. I'm just going to fill this up, and then I have a couple natural fire starters I'm going to throw underneath. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes for these to get going. If you're planning on smoking hot and fast, you're going to fill this all the way up. Right now I'm going to be doing low and slow, so I don't want that much heat to begin with. I'm going to fill it about halfway up and get those going. Fire starters. So here in the bottom of the smoker, we're going to put some wood chunks, probably about 5 of them, evenly spaced. You can use more if you want more smoke flavor, but I'm going to use about 5 today. And then we're going to throw a couple charcoals on top. After your coals are going, we're gonna just take them. They're a little bit white, probably about half white. Take them, dump them right on top. And that's gonna be your base for the smoke. We can always add fuel later, so don't worry too much about if you have enough fuel. But right now we're gonna get this up to heat, so I'm gonna throw this back on. And now that we have the smoker assembled, I'm going to play with the vents at the top and bottom to set the temperature to what I want it to be. I'm going to shoot for about 200 right now. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'll show you what I'm doing as we go along. So you can open up the vents to get more heat, close them to get less heat, and I'm going right about here, just about a quarter open to get about 200 degrees on this grill. It's going to be different for every smoker, so you're going to have to do some trial and error. Now that we have the smoker going, you can just continue to play with the vents to turn the heat up or down, and you can play with the top vent to kind of mess with the smoke, get either a little bit more or a little bit less smoke. But now that we're heated up, I'm going to go ahead and throw the dogs on. Look at that beautiful smoke. Now we'll let them smoke for about 30 minutes, If you need to add more charcoal, I'm going to show you how to do that in a little bit. Once you get farther into your cook, if you start to run out of fuel at all, one of the nice things about these smokers is you can usually add, a couple charcoals or chunk of wood straight to the fire pit like that. That'll give you a little bit of extra smoke time. It'll give you a little bit more smoke with the flavor wood, so add as much as you need. Alright grillers, thanks for watching this video today. It was cool showing you how to start up a drum smoker and how to use it. Just to run quickly through the steps again, you're going to put a little layer of flavor wood at the bottom, light a chimney full of charcoal, put it on top, then you use the vents to get the temperature where you want it, put your food on, add more fuel if you need to as you go along, and then at the end we're going to close all the vents to put the fire out, and then just dump the charcoal out once it's cooled off. Thanks for watching. If you guys liked this, feel free to like or subscribe. Check out my website, bbgrillshack.com, or follow me on social media, @bbgrillshack. I really appreciate you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video and putting out some more good content for you. Have a good one.